guys, I'm with Anshu.
Hello, how are you guys today? Sorry, I'm like stuck in the weird accent.
Okay, right now,
Hello.
where are we?
We are right across from the Tower Bridge.
I'll give you guys the views.
Fun fact, it's not the London Bridge. The London Bridge is actually the bridge next to that one, which is
Which is not a bridge.
it's not fancy at all.
Like the song London Bridge.
Like it fell down, that's why it's not cute anymore. But
But this is cute.
this one is cute, and this is the Tower Bridge.
Yes. And we still haven't found a good telephone booth for me to take my picture in, but we've been taking other cute pics.
Because
so
they're
it's
all pretty. Oh my god.
That was so scary.
It's because all the telephone booths are really dirty.
I also almost fell into the river.
She did. It was gross.
That was really
We're gonna
scary.
die. Clumsy ass.
But yeah, now we're... Wait, Anshu said that I look 24 in Spanish.
She does. It's the hair and like the new jacket, and it's definitely. You just look older. You don't look like your junky Bloomington self.
Comment down below if you agree with him.
Who's gonna comment?
My mom?
Okay.
Okay, so now what's after this?
After this, well, we actually like pretty much saw all the main things that we wanted to. We walked by Big Ben.
Tomorrow we're doing 2 more scenic things.
We did Buckingham Palace and like George's Green or whatever.
Big Ben's under construction.
We did Piccadilly Circus, like main shit, all like the big shit. So now we're just.
Ooh, these views are real good. So yeah, now we're just gonna be really impromptu. I don't know what we're doing. Probably dinner. Oh my god, we're going to dinner at Dishoom. I don't know if I said that in my intro, but I'm super excited and I will try to vlog it. It's probably gonna be dark and hard to vlog, but I'll try to get some shots. I'm so excited for Pav Bhaji. Like, I called my mom and told her that we're getting Pav Bhaji.
The vada pav is fire. It's so fire.
I'm so excited. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, it's day 2 in London. I'm with Mark. Say hi. And Anshu in the back. We are going to Primrose right now. Wait, we are in Primrose, right? We're just going to the hill. We're going to the hill, but look how cute this area is.
I didn't know how nice it was.
Like all those colorful houses, like I want to live on that street. I really like that street.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have so much planned for today. I'm very excited, so stay tuned.